Guys, this is Rick from Crown Rick Auto. Apologize, I haven't been able to post more frequently lately due to this tremendous amount of drama that's been going down over at the shop with the neighbor. He called. You know what? I'm just gonna talk about that in another video, but it's pretty bad. We might be getting kicked out, but you know what, we'll talk about that in another video. Really quick, this car was not even prepped, was not ready for a paint job, and Junkyard Boy took it to the paint shop. I don't know if you can see, there was still stickers over it, there was still dirt. It wasn't even prepped yet, and he just took it over there. So basically I'm just gonna search it for goodies, weapons, drugs, hopefully a gun, just anything I can find in here. I do want to thank everyone out there cheering me on my quest to find a gun. I really appreciate that. All right, let's start from here. Let's see, daily attendance, policing bureau. What the heck is this? This is a shot collar, probably for a dog or something, or a cat, or most likely a dog. I'm not sure how this works, but I don't want to get shocked. Should probably put this around Junkyard Boy's neck. Maybe he'll start listening. All right, let's see what's here. Federal Signal Viper. It's a little dusty. Let's see if it works. I'm surprised this one has a cigarette lighter. Most of them are ripped out. Oh yeah, why are they all amber? Oh, that is bright. If you guys want this stuff, let me know. This goes here. Roadrunner relay flasher. iPhone kind of guy, huh? Kenwood radio. A lot of these cars have been coming with Kenwood radios lately. Got the mic, pretty good condition actually. I'm gonna try to remove it without having to cut any wires. It's gonna take a while. Junior Crime Fighter stickers. I love stickers. Take a bite out of crime. Garmin navigation. Looks like somebody took a bite out of this. It's like some warrant papers. Yep, the whole routine planned out. Santa Cruz gun locks. Richmond police. It looks like cop glasses. Oakley, made in USA. Nice. This is the Richmond Police Department. We will shoot up the crack house. What's up? Do I look like a cop or what? Oh my goodness, look how dirty this cap is. I hope I don't catch anything. Penal Code 2008, Quick Code California Edition. Let's see what 243.4 is. Battery. Victim unlawfully restrained by a grease waste, disposal by hauler in following manner. Oh, bastards. Poison water, marriage fraud, oh, trained dog. Richmond Police field interview card. Gang affiliation. Damn California and their gang members. Looks like mold. Mary's Law, whatever that is. Mary's Law. Richmond Police Property Crime Unit. Feel something back here. Passenger vehicle identification. Please be a gun. Class of 2013. Cool, congratulations. Power distribution and isolation system. You see that on? Motorola VRM 650. American flag patch. This one looks like it belongs to a shirt or something. Somebody's been a naughty cop. Richmond. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's pouring out. You know the funny thing is this thing smells like straight up man. Oh, look at this. You can tell it's cheap. Ah, come on, please be a gun. Please be a gun. Papers, reflection thing. Curse me out for $5. Can you imagine cursing out a homeless man? Give him $5. Here you go. Screw you! I hate you because you're homeless. I hate you. You suck. Look at these seats. These prisoner seats are pretty freaking nice. Different. Look at that. Criminals could stuff stuff in here all day long. They could stuff things in here all day long. There's probably all kinds of freaking drugs and weapons under this thing. What the hell? What the heck is this? Ecstasy pills? Molly pills? What in the world? Mylon 214. Dude, I have to Google to see what the heck this is. Mylon 214, pill identification, orange round.
Haloperidol.
It is antipsychotic. It can treat certain types of mental disorders. It could also control symptoms of Tourette syndrome. May treat psychosis, mental disorder characterized by a disconnection from reality, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder. Somebody's probably abusing these. Dude, if I got stopped with this, I got a lot of explaining to do. Nothing there. All right, let's remove this. Look at this. Oh, it's a secret ghetto hole for criminals. Please be a gun. Please be a gun in here. What is this? Oh, no way. Dude. These are brass knuckles. Oh, wow. These are super illegal. At least here in California. What? I ain't not, no, never not do nothing. Good. That kind of hurts. Okay, so I'm having too much trouble removing this thing right now. I got to get like a special tool to undo these bolts right here, so then I could lift this up and see what's under this thing, because I feel stuff. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of freaking stuff here. I'll leave that for another video. In the meantime, I gotta get to the trunk. Oh, look at this antenna. It's freaking bigger than my hand. And look at these. They straight painted over them. You see that? It says hit the like button. Guys, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. All right, let's see what's in the trunk. If you guys want to know how to switch the function of your trunk release button, to my last video. Link in the description. Let's see. Richmond Police Explorer Youth Academy. Oh, I missed it. Okay, cool. 5 ways to go green. Looks like a kitty book. Oh, look, a bonus goodie I almost missed. Sound off signal, plug-in flasher, competition serious, strobe power supply. What in the world is that? Oh! I thought you were dead. I don't know what to do. This is Captain Sam Savage, Richmond Department Savage. Kind of come through with crown raking armor managed. I got my stuff back to Camwood, everything jumps. in the system, the penal code's pumped. Gotta get them pumped off this. When I look up quick fix, it'll have them with a ticket. They ain't trying to fix it, they better get lost. Richmond in the building, you know you get tossed. I'm on my department thing, and the do-rag and everything, miscellaneous things, we in it. We ain't gonna stop, it's Crown Rick. Thanks for all the support. We get it going, moving. Yeah.